Hello friends and welcome. Today we are going to talk about ESOP valuation in private companies, a step-by-step guide. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now let's get started. Valuing ESOPs in private companies is crucial for fair compensation and compliance. Let's go through a step-by-step guide to get it right. Let's dive in. 1. Hire a certified valuator. An independent appraiser ensures fair and compliant ESOP valuation. 2. Analyze financial statements, review company revenue, assets, and liabilities for accurate valuation. 3. Determine market comparisons. Compare with similar private companies to assess fair market value. 4. Apply valuation methods. Use income, market, or asset-based methods for accurate pricing. 5. Review and update regularly. Reassess valuation annually or after major financial changes. By following these steps, private companies can ensure transparency and compliance in ESOP valuation. I hope that you like the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.